Hey guys, this is Kip Shear. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm excited for you to follow me along on my real estate journey and learn who I am, what I do, and how you can get more involved. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and click that bell icon so you can know when the next video drops. So main types of real estate I'm involved in, I do pretty much a little bit of everything. Mostly fix and flip, mostly buying homes, rehabbing them, and selling them. I also do some spec builds, some new builds from scratch. And I'm just starting to get into buy and hold properties. So buying properties for rentals, either long-term rentals, short-term rentals, or mid-term rentals. So I was an engineer. I was worn out, I was tired, I wanted to try something new. So I quit my job and I kind of fell into real estate. My mom's a realtor, so she encouraged me to get my real estate license. I did that. And then quickly I realized I wanted to do the investing side. So I found some buddies that were doing some real estate investing, some fix and flips, partnered up with them, and it's been just gangbusters ever since. Flipping it's kind of like engineering. You know, you take a product and you figure out how you can make it better. There's a lot of math involved, there's a lot of design involved, so it really is like an engineering project. And it's nice, it's a short-term project. When you're done, you have a finished product that you can present to the world, and if it's good, people will buy it and you make some money, and you get to bless somebody with a really nice home at the end of the day. My main goal with real estate is to generate enough income that my wife doesn't have to work anymore. If she wants to work, she can, but I don't want her to have to work. I'd like her to be able to help us raise the kids. I know that's something that she wants. And I want to grow this thing big enough that I can employ people, I can help with people's livelihoods, I can bless people with new homes, and just really kind of beautify the city and help people out in the same process. So how does my family handle my schedule? That's a great question. Thankfully this career allows you to organize your day around your family. So I make sure to do work in times of the day that work best for my wife. My wife has a more traditional 9-to-5 job. So I will take care of I'll take the kids to school in the morning and I'll do things during the day that I need to help out. And then a lot of times I'm up doing work later on at night after the kids go to bed. So we kind of juggle things around to work best so we can still take care of the kids and make it all work while also working, both of us. What is my why? I want to have a career that is fulfilling, that is fun, that I work with people that I enjoy, but that also gives me the freedom to spend time with my family when I want. When I worked at a 9-to-5 job, it was always stressful to have to leave in the morning and not be able to spend the best times of the day with my family. So my why is to be able to be present with my family, but also have a job, the career that feeds me, that energizes me, and allows me to give that much more back to my family. Where do I see myself in 5 years? I would like to be flipping at least 30 properties a year, probably more like 50 properties a year. I'd like to be doing a handful of new builds, and I'd like to have at least 30 hold properties, 30 rental properties across the country. I don't want to be partnered with a bunch of new people that bring a lot of fun stuff to the table. The best part about real estate is working with people that you love, that you enjoy, and getting to create something really cool. So I'd like to have some really great partners that I can do new builds, do some rentals, do a little bit of everything. What separates me from a typical real estate investor? I would say my engineering background. I think I'm a little bit more detail-oriented than your average real estate investor. I didn't just get into it for the money. And to me, the money, I don't care about the money. I never pay attention to the money side of things. I enjoy the projects. So to me, the gratification is having a finished product and letting people see it and seeing the look on people's faces when they see the work. So that's what drives me. It's not the money, it's the work. How do people find me? Obviously my YouTube channel, hit the like and subscribe button to see new videos drop there. You can also follow me on Instagram at Kip Shear. I post a bunch of updates of projects as they're going on, finished projects, new projects, and you'll get to see all the process along the way, as well as some personal stuff, some family stuff, if you're interested in any of that.